What's up everybody? Tiffany Outdoors here today. I want to see if I can make a template for something that I'm going to make more than once. So let's see how this goes. There's the hawk. Before there was a Tiffany Outdoors, there was Tiffany the Farmer.
On a U-turn when possible.
No, we're not U-turning.
Hi. Hi, what are you doing? Hi, Boo. What?
So now that I have my workshop, I want to start making things that I can sell. And one of the things that I've been wanting to make is a leash holder for your pet. And what I want to do is make a template for a little paw print. So I've been scribbling around out here. Let me show you what I got so far. All right, let me square this up. There we go. So I used the cap of a little small WD-40 can and made 6 circles, and then with these 2 circles I drew a line right down the center, right in that crease, down the center, and then straight up, and then I drew a straight line here and here to make a heart shape, and then I used the cap to make the little toe pads. So I think this is going to be adorable. So also what I did was I marked in the middle, you can barely see it, a little dot in the middle of each one, so I know where to drill. I'll be using my drill press to make this template, and I have some polycarbonate over here that I'm going to be using. I don't know how that's going to work with the drill press. We'll see. It's an experiment to see if it works. So I'm going to take my polycarbonate, put it on top of this, and then I can make my, maybe I just need to make holes? I don't know. Yeah, I'll cut this out. I'm going to cut this whole thing out. So I just need to lay my polycarbonate on top, and then what I'm going to do is where these holes are in the middle of each one of these circles, I'm going to put a dot on there and then drill the hole. That'll tell me where to do the holes. Now these right here, these holes will be cut out all the way. This one I'm going to have to use maybe my jigsaw or Dremel to cut out the rest of this little heart shape. All right, let me go over here. Let's go over to my workbench and see. It's in my head. In my head it's going to work, but in theory it's going to work. But let's see what happens when I actually try it. Let's see. Okay, got my little holes there, or where the drill needs to go. Now I'm going to, oh yes, I probably should take my, my center punch and, let me go get that and mark these. All right, let's see. That work on here? Oh, come on. This is what happens when you buy stuff from Harbor Freight. It don't want to work right. There we go. Shoot, I went in the wrong spot. It slid on me. There we go. Let me pull out my drill press and let's see if this is going to work. Okay, let's see how this works out. I have a 1-inch Forstner bit in here, and let's line this up. I've already adjusted this for the depth that I need it. Now I just need to line it up. I got a piece of scrap wood under here, so I just need to line up the point of the bit with my little mark I did with the center punch. You know, I still need to adjust this because it's too tall. Actually, it's way too tall. Let's see, did that move on me? I think it moved a little bit. Touch. There we go. Alright, let's see. Y'all, I'm nervous. I really am. Okay, I'm just gonna do it really slow because I don't know how this is gonna do. Alright. Really slow. Okay, it's almost all the way through. Y'all, whew. Hey, all right, yeah, that's gonna work. That's gonna work. Okay. I was nervous. I was nervous. I ain't gonna lie. Whew. I was scared because this thing is like, look, you see where this is? This right here in my face. Yeah, I built this too tall. I still gotta make adjustments to it. And I will get to that for sure, especially when I'm this nervous about it. Y'all, this drill press is amazing. Thank you to Joe who got this for me for Christmas. Oh my gosh, this thing is awesome. I've got all the holes cut out. Now, all I need to do is cut out this section here, right here, to complete the heart. And I'm going to clamp this down to my workbench and use my rotary tool and go ahead and get that cut out. And as you guys remember, I designed this bench so on the sides I've got a clamping surface that's not like super thick. I have the 2x4 laying flat side up so I can clamp things down easier. Alright, I'm going to take my rotary tool. Really, Tiffany? I'm going to take my rotary tool and cut that out. it's all cut out, it's a little bit crooked. But you know what? It doesn't have to be pretty or perfect. It's quite cute, I think. Oh my goodness, that is adorbs. All right, now to move on to the next step. I've got a couple of files here. I'm gonna clean this up, clean up the insides of the circle. Alright, now that I have my template all cut out, now I need to cut it free from this. I'm going to use my miter saw and cut that out, and then I'll come back to you. That looks awesome. Now I have a template. Yes.